Cheap food. So, if you want cheap food in Canada, see, hot, no need cooking, only sleeping, bus, malum?
Today and tomorrow.
Only one? Why only one? Picnic. See? Good, no good?
Good. How
See?
about tomorrow?
Tomorrow? You take one. Bring in lunch. No cooking. Malum? Body shower, raw. Mabi cooking.
Tomorrow?
Same yung kulong mabi.
After 10, go SDI. After SDI, half minutes. I come back.
Sawa-sawa. Pick up, Baden drop, Baden less 10. Baden, Harbatin, next salary, bus. Same. Like, no like.
I don't understand.
No need lorry.
Okay.
Euro, Asherin, sawa-sawa. Baden speak Richard. I drop SGI, Sulaiman. Baden 1 hour, I take, pick up you. Like, no like. Baden Ashera, bus. Arbatin, salary. Okay, good. Kamsa, ha? Mapi Ashera. Kamsa. Wahid, kamsa. Ashera, bus. Less.
Good.
Mapi pa Laura, Lori. Malum?
Good.
Lori, inshallah. Kamsin.
Inshallah. Good idea.
Less Ashera. Mama?
Badai Arbatin. Good.
Mia. Arara.
Hey. So, I'm up to you. Tomorrow.
To speak Richard.
Okay.
Or
Arba. Shall go. 1 hour come. I finish job. How about ride? Ride only? All this down to 1 hour.
less 1 hour.
Close 1 hour?
Cut ko na rin.
Okay.
8 to 10, out. But then come back, start again. 11 to 5:30. Malum?
Okay, malum.
Badim Dayan, Kalam. Sulaiman, cut 1 hour, go STI. Malum.